Android 14 is rolling out to more and more devices, including the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Speaking of the Z Fold 5, here's your chance to win a Caseborne V-Series case. Retail value is $90 on this. I'll link a video down to a review I did on this case not too long ago. It's awesome. This is a great case. So all you have to do is get to a certain part in a new Easter egg that's available in Android 14, which again is rolling out to the Z Fold 5. I already have it here on my S23 Ultra. So let me show you how to access this little game. So you're going to swipe down, go into Settings. You're going to scroll all the way down until you get to About Phone. All right, then we're going to scroll down until we get to Software Information. All right, and then we're going to tap on Android version repeatedly. And that's going to open this up here, a nice little logo for Android 14. All you're going to do is press and hold on your screen, and then your phone's going to start vibrating and make some weird noises. And then it's going to go to this. It's going to go to this little star playing game right here. So the whole point of this is you want to fly your spaceship around until you get to all the planets. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's at the top of the screen here. All right, so it lists a star that you're part of the solar system for. It's going to list your spacecraft type. It's going to list your spacecraft class, the radius of the particular star that you're around, the mass of the star, and the number of planets surrounding the star. So in this case, I have 5 planets to get to. So what we can do with our spaceship is we can use our finger here and we can basically move it around. It's going to pull the spaceship in that direction. So you'll see down here when we're moving our spacecraft, we'll have our thrust, our position, and our velocity. And when you remove your finger, it's going to take away the thrust because you're no longer moving in any direction. So to get to your star, you want to get your position to 0, 0. That's the coordinates of your star. So I'm going to go ahead and fly to it and show you where it's at. All right, there we go. We're going through it. There, we just went through the star right there. So if you get to the 0, 0 coordinates, you're going to go through the star. Then what you want to do from there, in order to get to the planets, is you're going to want to move your spacecraft along until you start to see blue lines. So once you come across one of those blue lines, you need to follow the blue line in either direction to get to the planet. So here's the thing. I tried doing this for like an hour last night. I couldn't get to a single one. So I went ahead and hit up a couple other YouTube videos, and there's a handful of people in the comments that swear they can land on a planet and do it. So here's the thing. If you can get to 3 of these planets, get to the 3rd planet, send me a screenshot of your spaceship landing on that planet, this case is all yours. I'm going to send it your way. So it's a great time to do this too, because Android 14 One UI 6 is rolling out right now for the Z Fold 5. So this case comes in perfect timing if you pick up a Z Fold 5. So a very fun little Easter egg built into Android 14. We're back to getting games again. It's been a few iterations since we've seen that. So it's definitely a lot better than what we had with Android 13 as far as the Easter egg goes. All right, and I should mention the case giveaway, unfortunately, is only for US residents only this time. Shipping rates have gone off the charts for anything international now. So unfortunately, this is limited to US residents. But if you can get to the 3rd planet, shoot me a screenshot. My email address is on my About page. This case is all yours. If you have any questions or comments about today's video, drop them down in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.